we found in our data is that they're mostly just narratives and it hasn't shown up yet. My name is Kharazian, I'm lead economist at Ramp and I run Ramp Economics Lab.
And this is our C-Take on trends in software and the SaaSpocalypse.
There's been this great narrative about the SaaSpocalypse, that the development coming from AI model companies is going to trigger a significant change in the traditional software sector as we know it. So it's going to be, at best, a change in pricing paradigms where traditional SaaS companies will have to shift to a usage or consumption-based model instead of seat-based models. And then at worst, it's going to mean the death of all SaaS entirely as OpenAI and Anthropic build their own competitors. SaaS spend in terms of the pricing model is not changing. If anything, seat-based revenue has continued to rise.
It's interesting because what I thought was unintuitive or a little surprising about your results was that the share of seat-based versus usage-based was very high in favor of usage-based. I think it was 3/4 usage-based and 1/4 seat-based.
For the AI model companies, they have growth coming from API usage. That's companies that are developing AI native product experiences using the foundational models, but they also have a lot of growth in subscription spend. And that then you can break down into two other pieces. There's the highly technical usage that's happening by engineers and coding agents. A lot of that is actually going through subscriptions. And then now increasingly, we're getting tools like Claude Cowork that are reaching into the less technical parts of the business user base. And they're also buying subscriptions. And so even though we're seeing API usage creep up, we're also seeing massive growth in seat-based revenue, even from the AI model companies. I don't think people expected that a year ago. Even amongst the SaaS firms that have started to offer consumption-based pricing models, like HubSpot, Adobe, even for them, that consumption-based model tends to be a single-digit portion of their revenue, and it's barely rising. I think we'll see some increase happen there over time, but for now, this is mostly a trend that's happening amongst product leaders who think this is where the market's gonna go, rather than something that the business customers themselves are explicitly demanding and asking for. Thanks for listening, and please drop a comment if there's anything else you want to hear from me and Max in Ramp Data.
And to see our other C-Takes, go to Coatue.com.